Bangladesh is located in the northeastern part of South Asia. Bangladesh belongs to South Asia popular state whose official name People's Republic of Bangladesh. This version of the national flag of Bangladesh was officially adopted on 16 January 1972. The nature and biodiversity of Bangladesh is very rich. Bangladesh is a country of 6 seasons. The 6 seasons of Rupashi Bangla are like her 6 children. This country has beautiful forests and many big rivers that's like Padma, Jamuna, etc. According to the United Nations Population Survey 2020, the total population of Bangladesh is about 174,69,373 and the area of the country is 130,160 kilometers. Paddy is the main crop of Bangladesh. According to the US Department of Agriculture, the country produced 52.7 million tons of paddy in the last fiscal year 2019-20, the fourth highest in the world, and agriculture is one of the driving forces of Bangladesh economy. Bangladesh will surpass India in GDP growth if proper use of Bangladesh factories is ensured. Bangladesh is now almost self-sufficient. They make their own things almost in their own country. The place of Shari is very important in the history of Bangla. Many colorful saris are made in Bangladesh. These saris are sold in foreign countries beside the Bangladesh market. Almost all the tea gardens in Bangladesh were established during the British period. The number of tea drinks in Bangladesh is increasing at the rate of 6% every year. Panchgad is the third region of Bangladesh and the most demanded tea is produced here. This is 50 taka. The Bangladesh taka is the currency of Bangladesh. The currency code for takas is BDT. Now time the value of Bangladesh money 1 taka is equal to 0.012 Markin dollar. There are many seaports in Bangladesh. There are currently 3 active seaports in Bangladesh. First one Chittagong, second Mongla Seaport and Paira Seaport. Many people from home and abroad come to visit the seaport of Bangladesh and have a lot of fun going there. Chittagong and Mongla Seaport of Bangladesh are important import-export infrastructure. The lion's share 90% of the country's import-export trade in conduct through these 2 ports. Jute is a monsoon crop. In Bangladesh, jute is called golden fiber and jute is a 100-year-old tradition of Bangla. 2 types of jute are found in Bangladesh, white jute and second tosha jute. At present, over 6 lakh hectares of jute and jute crops are being collected in the country. Experts believe that it is possible to earn huge foreign exchange by cultivating jute. Hello guys, I am Joy Dash. First of all, thank you all because I am in this position today for your cooperation. I travel around the country and abroad, so I will present you with new travel video. I hope you will be my side, and those who are new to my channel, so must subscribe and watching the video. So thank you all.